Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be driving from Windward Road up to Old Hope Road, and this is the route you would take if you're leaving from the Norman Manley International Airport into the Liquanea area. So Windward Road is this part of Windward Road is a commercial district. Behind, as you turn off onto these roads, you have a lot of residential homes. And also Windward Road can take you to downtown Kingston. And you're going to find that these roads are well maintained because you need to have good access to the airports. So you find that the roads leading to and from the airports are well maintained. There's actually another road you can take, which is Michael Manley Boulevard, and that also takes you into downtown Kingston. That one takes you to Port Royal Street, so you can avoid all of this traffic if you're heading to downtown. So at this intersection now, you go straight, you stay on Windward Road and head towards downtown Kingston, and you turn here, you're going on to Mountain View Avenue, and that takes you up into the Liquanea area, or the parish of St. Andrew area. And because this road is one of the main roads to the airport, you have a lot of police stations on it, because this road cannot be blocked, or this road should not be blocked. So you have a lot of police on it to make sure that the road is free and clear. And there was a time when police used to enforce parking on the road and parking on the sidewalk, but I have no idea what's going on with that. But we're not going to get into that today. But just look at these cars literally parked in the road. Look at that car blocking the sidewalk. There was a time when you would get a ticket for those kind of things, and this is a police station on the right, and sometimes you could even get towed. But I'm not sure what's going on. And even the Minister of Transport and Mining commented the other day that the indiscipline on the roads is getting outrageous. He said the government is doing what they can to get the technology needed, and the government, put it this way, the government is trying. So now this part of Mountain View has a lot of residential areas, and what causes the problem sometimes is on the left is one area, on the right is another area, and the road separates them. So on the left you have an area that might be affiliated with one political party, and on the right you have another area affiliated with a different political party. And so sometimes you have incidents, you have tension, and the road sometimes gets blocked. So that's why you have these police stations to ensure that if something happens, the road isn't blocked. Or if it's blocked, it's cleared very quickly. Okay, at this intersection of we turn left, we go onto Windward Road, and that will take us into Vineyard Town. And if you go straight, you stay on Mountain View Avenue and head towards Old Hope Road. Also, if you go straight, you head towards the National Stadium. So on the left is the Excelsior High School, very prominent school in Jamaica. And then right beside it, at this entrance, you have the Excelsior Community College, which is very good. It's a very large campus. And then on the left now is the community on Nannyville. Nannyville Gardens. Okay, on the left now is the National Stadium, and that's where you have a lot of when the reggae boys play, there's the football field, and it also has a track and field track. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Remember to like, share and subscribe. Have a good day.